So if you are getting Play Store download pending problem in your Android device, then here is the fix. So just open the Play Store, then tap on the ID situated to the right of the search box, and then scroll up and find settings, tap on it. Now tap on network preferences, tap on app download preferences, and make sure over any network is selected. Click on OK. Now tap on auto update apps and tap on over any network. Click on OK. Now go to the general and tap on account and device preferences. Scroll up and find clear wish list. Clear it. Now the next step is just open settings and scroll down and find apps. Tap on it. Now search in the list of app Google Play, and you will see two items, Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Now first go to Google Play Services, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now go back and again this time locate Google Play Store, tap on it, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Finally delete it. Now all done. Just try to download any apps and it will be downloaded without any issue. Okay, so that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek page. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.